I'm out in the camper again. Trying to do some projects my wife has come up with. There's, you can see right here, there's a door here. And there's 2 panels on each side. And these are the panels that I took out. Now, what she wants to do is put a wire mesh in there, which is great. So because it's so dark in there and you can't see very good, this is the door, and I don't know, there's the wire mesh, you can see it. So that's going to help a lot. So also right here on these panels that you see right here, well, right there, I'm going to put wire mesh in those. And I've noticed that up in there, you may not can see it, but there's a plug to probably put a LED light up in here and try to get a switch out here so that she can have light in there. Anyway, that's where I'm at on it. I didn't get the video of the beginning of it, but what we had in the door before was this big pane of glass. You can see in all the other, some of the others we have glass. Just about all the doors of the camper. So, but anyway, I'll show you more as we get, going. I think this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th or 5th upgrade that we've added to this thing to kind of suit our needs, and I'll go over those with you in a little bit. Okay, I think I've got this section cut out where to fit. I'm going to use arrow staples in this manual staple gun. I'm going to staple it from the inside. I don't think I'll need that many staples to hold it in there, so hopefully this will work. And I think with the 1/4 inch, they will go in and easier than a longer one, maybe a 3/8, but considering, I think that went pretty well. So you got that one in and it looks pretty good. It's pretty tight. I think it's fine. Now, one more to go. Well, on these, you can see all these staples I got here. I used the air staple gun. They didn't knock them down in there all the way, so that's what I'm doing now. Taking this little piece of metal, putting them on the staple and knocking them in. Ta-da! I think that'll work. Well, I can see this side's going to be much more difficult than the other one. I'm right-handed. The guy doing this one should be left-handed. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's going to take a while. So I'll be back when I get finished. Alright, I didn't have good luck with a manual stapler. So now I got to get the big gun. This one I think has a 3/8 staple. It should be fine. This looks pretty thick, the wood, so we're going to give it a shot. And I think I'll have better luck with it. It was just that I couldn't get any leverage on the manual one, and the spring was just so strong with my left hand. I couldn't do it. So let's try this one. Well, I think that did it. It was so awkward to get to, but I think with the hair stapler I was able to get in there. But I'm gonna have to go in and take that little piece of metal or a hammer and knock in a lot of, or maybe all of the staples that I put in, because it just maybe I didn't have the pressure up high enough. I don't know. They didn't go in all the way. So anyway, I'm going to do that, and I think I'll probably clean up this mess a little bit, and I think this project's about finished. Well, I guess this whole camper project probably took me a couple hours to do the whole thing. I got everything in. The wires in. My wife's put her stamp of approval on it, so now it's good to go. And as you can see, it does look better. You can see up in there, from the door, you can see everything you're looking at that's on the inside. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty good. She's happy with it, and her reasoning is because of being able to see what's on the inside, whereas before it was so dark. And even with the smoked glass on there, you couldn't see in. So, one more project down. I don't know how many more to go. But since we've got the camper, this is probably project number 4. I had some others, another video that I wanted to share with you, but I'm going to go ahead and go back over the ones that I did. We found these shelves at, let's see, where was that? Hobby Lobby. And so we got those and attached them to the wall, and these work real well for storage of food or whatever. And another improvement I made was, which I've got another video of, is the cat litter situation, where this is a hole where the cats can go in and out, and they go into this tub. That's the new litter box. And the upgrade I made a week or so ago is adding this strip of plywood. So if you can see right here, it stopped. And this is a king mattress, and about 6 inches of it hung over. I added a shelf over here for my wife to have her water and put her phone and stuff on. And that works great, because this one came with the unit, so we had to have another one. And I added these little shelves in the bathroom. We had this dead space, so we decided to add those to kind of, when we're parked, we can put things on there. Mouthwash, shaving cream, what have you. So that's about it, I guess. So I appreciate you watching. I hope this might help you in your camper. There are more things that we want to do. We're not really sure yet how to do them. We're just thinking of any way that we can to make our space more usable and more enjoyable for us, more convenient as well. And I'd like for you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification button, bell, and leave us a comment. Let me know what you think about what we did. And if you've made improvements in your camper that we might could use in ours, well, great. Leave me a comment. Feel free to use any of these ideas that I've come up with in ours, and I hope that if you do, that they'll, be useful for you. But anyway, we'll see you out there.